Spirit Airlines just went bankrupt, right? I'm the guy that flew Spirit Airlines for 24 hours straight. There's more than 250 million individuals over the age of 18 in the United States. Now, if we took only 20% of them and paid basically the average fare of a Spirit Airlines flight, which is somewhere around $30 to $40, we could buy Spirit Airlines. This is a genius idea. We nationalize Spirit Airlines, owned by the people. Airlines gone. We make a new airline. Let's buy an airline. I should make a bet enough for this.
Okay, so it's been about 2.5 hours, and y'all are really interested in all of us buying Spirit Airlines. So I made a website. It's called letsbuyspirit.com. Register your intent. I won't take any money. We're not going to use the Venmo anymore. That was kind of a joke. And we're going to try and, I guess, buy Spirit Airlines. Let's do this. You and me. I'm kind of autistic, and I really like airplanes. So vote for me as CEO. Are we actually doing this?
Hi, good morning. It's Hunter Peterson, potential maybe future CEO of Spirit Airlines if this all works. I went to sleep after the website crashed and just woke up to insane. This is life? 3.4 million views here, 1.4 million views here. The boys show up with 100K. 227, 395, not even including TikTok right now. And I'm just like, oh my God, y'all are really actually showing up. Some things to know right now and what I'm working on right now. Okay, website's very broken. I built that in like an hour and like it's terrible. It's like not good. So if you're a developer, please reach out. Oh my God, I don't have any money right now. Again, trying to figure this out. 2, as soon as that's fixed, we're gonna turn on the pledges again. Because I have people reaching out to me from like CBS and the Wall Street Journal and like Huffington Post and also Fox and Friends to like talk about this. So if you're in PR, help. And then further, lawyers. Hi, do you have aviation experience? Talk to me. Last thing about this, look, I really want to run this on behalf of the people. I don't want to own this, but I do want to hire people who have aviation experience. Like if this actually goes through, if we're able to put together, say like money from, I don't know, venture capital on one side and their non-voting members, and then actually have the American populace, you know, come in with their pledges and show that those can be real pledges. Those are the people that should vote, not venture capital, not private equity. That's not how this should work. I don't know what I don't know, so help me. You're committing to this bit, I'm committing to this bit, so let's go.